Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial about the Kuka Sunrise toolbox. In this tutorial I'm gonna be speaking about the setters functions of the toolbox. So first of all we have to change the working directory of MATLAB to the directory MATLAB client of the Kuka Sunrise toolbox. Right now I'm gonna establish a connection between the robot and between the computer. So first of all, start the application MATLAB Toolbox server on the Kuka iiwa using the touchpad. Then in MATLAB you have to define a variable, call it IB, and give it the IP of the robot. Now to get the IP of the robot, please refer to tutorial number 1. So then to establish a connection between the robot and the PC, use the function net establish connection IP, and as you can see I have established a connection between the robot and the PC. You can know this, look at the status, it's open, so the communication is opened successfully. Right now the toolbox offers several functions, several setters. Those setters are used with the pneumatic media flange. So if you have pneumatic media flange, those functions are gonna work. If you do not have pneumatic media flange, then you still can call those functions, but they are not going to have any effect on the robot. So here in the lab we have a pneumatic flange attached to our Kuka 7 kilograms lightweight robot. So this flange has connectors, has pin 1, 2, 11 and 12. Also it has a light, a blue light. So right now I'm gonna turn on the light on the flange. To do so we are gonna type set blue on, and then you have to give it as an operand, as an argument, TCP/IP of communication object. Click enter and you can see that the blue light of the media flange has turned on and the function has returned a value of 1. Now when you call the setters, the set functions, when this function is executed inside the robot returns back an acknowledgement to the MATLAB client, and after receiving the acknowledgement that for example in this case the blue light is turned on, the function set blue on is going to return a value of 1. So you know that everything has been executed correctly. Now if there has been any error for some reason, it's going to return a value of 0. Normally it's going to be a value of 1. In 99.9999% of the situations, the return is going to be a value of 1. In the same way, we can turn off the blue light by using set blue off, and you see that the blue light has turned off. For example, to set on bin 1, we can say set bin 1 on, and you say the TCP/IP object, and I can see here on the teach pendant that the output pin 1 is set on. Right now I'm gonna set it off, set pin 1 off, and you give it as an argument the TCP/IP communication object, and I can see here on the teach pendant that pin 1 had been set off. So in the same way you can turn on and off pins 2, 11 and 12. So this is it about the setters functions. Thank you very much for watching.